Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness. We have Lenore here. I've been treating Lenore, gosh, for how many years now?
It's been a while.
A long time.
Maybe 5.
Maybe more than that though, even. Anyway, a long time, and it's mostly for back pain. She has a sit-down desk job, but this video is about knee pain. So for those of you with knee pain, I've done so many videos on this years ago. It's been a while since I've done a video on this. If you have knee pain, and what was your knee pain like? Describe what your symptoms was.
So they would really hurt. Like when they would hurt going up the stairs, but going down the stairs would be like almost crippling. Like I had to like hold on, like I'm 80 years old in order to go down the stairs and my knees not hurt. Like it felt like they were gonna buckle.
Okay. And oftentimes, if you were to talk to a physical therapist, right, their view on that, and a lot of chiropractors, not knocking physical therapists, okay, because I have a certification in physical therapy, so big fan of it. We have a physical therapist right here in the office. But their take on that is if you're having pain going downstairs, knee pain, then it's typically a weakness in your quad, okay? And that may be the case for, but also you would be more likely to have pain going upstairs and having a weakness in your hamstring. And that's the physical therapist's take on it. My take is that she's flat-footed, and I'm going to take her into another room right over there, and we're going to double check. I think we've already done a foot scan years on you, and you're flat-footed. I already knew that, yes. So, and I can just look at her shoes. I don't need the scanner to do that, but the scanner helps us make a perfect orthotic using lasers. But her issue is, I explained to her, I adjusted her knees last time, and she's been having it for how many years now?
What?
Knee pain.
Oh, for a while, like 4 years.
And never mentioned it to me. I don't know what's going on here, but that's my fault, I suppose. My fault, not hers. I should have asked more questions. That being said, we adjusted her once, and I'm going to show you what we did. And how are you feeling?
So much better. There was such a change. As soon as I got to work and I had to go up to my office or down from my office, I was able to go down the stairs without having to hold the rail. So it was awesome. Cool.
That was a couple weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, right? So now it's hurting her a little bit, right? So we're going to adjust again, but the issue is flat feet. So if you pronate your foot in, what happens is your knee twists forward and in, right? And your hip comes forward, and it's subtle, but what happens there is the tibial bone pulls posterior. So I'm going to adjust her tibia. Don't try this at home. You have to be a licensed chiropractor, and I don't recommend physical therapists doing this either, unless they're a doctor of physical therapy, because then some of them know how to adjust. But got to be careful, because if there's a meniscus tear and stuff, there's other things to worry about. But this is about adjusting the knee if you have knee pain, and you had knee pain going up and downstairs on both knees, correct?
Yes, it was just worse going down.
Okay, so right here I'm grabbing onto her ankle with my legs. I'm distracting her leg, and then we're adjusting the tibial bone posterior to anterior. Now, this adjustment will hold, hopefully for a while, but honestly, she's gonna probably need orthotics because there might already be some wear and tear there in the knee. We haven't x-rayed it. I don't need an x-ray to tell me that she's got a posterior tibia. How I know is she's flat-footed, her gait, and then also we've muscle tested her last 4 weeks ago when we adjusted her. Now, extremities are really great. I love adjusting extremities because they tend to hold better than the spine. But knees, feet, and ankles, if you're flat-footed and your hips, that's going to throw everything out of alignment. That is the most important thing to fix, is your feet, because that's the kinetic chain from there up. That's the ground up. Got to fix the base layer, right? Even in the house, if your foundation's cracked and crooked, it's not going to work well over years. Over years and years, you're going to have damage to that house. Same concept here. Okay, turn over on your back. That's it. That's a knee adjustment, and she's going to feel great, but we're probably at some point going to get her orthotics. If you have knee pain, you may want to go to a chiropractor that specializes in extremities adjustments. So that's called a CCEP, a Certified Chiropractic Extremities Practitioner, okay? And CCEP, that if you go to their website, Google it, you'll find certified docs, and some docs that haven't updated their certification may not be on there, but they'll have the CCEP after their name, after the DC. Thanks for tubing in. Thanks, Lenore.
Welcome. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.